Turf-Tec International is proud to offer the Miltona 7-inch hexagon turf plugger that has revolutionized turf repair. This handy tool eliminates gaps that occur when using a round turf plugger, which greatly reduce repair time and produces seamless repairs. There is no better tool to repair worn or damaged areas. The hexagon pluggers come in 4 models: 7 inches by 2 inches deep, 7 inches by 3 inches deep, 4 inches by 8 inches by 2 inches deep, or the 9-inch adjustable depth hex plugger with power stroke handle that can be adjusted to cut plugs at 2, 3, 4, and 5 inches deep. The hexagon shape causes the plugs in the repaired areas to interlock and remain in place even on sloped areas. First, collect good plugs from a turf grass nursery or other area with good grass. Next, simply remove the damaged turf with the hex plugger and smooth out the sub-base to accept new plugs. The hexagons can be linked into a honeycomb-shaped pattern to cover larger areas. The recovery of the new plugs is quick and effective. As the area is repaired, the surface becomes uniform. Take time with the repair to ensure that the surface is level, especially if repairing a putting green. Some additional soil may be added under the plugs to ensure that they are level with the green surface. Fix the edges of the plugs with a knife, similar to the way you would fix ball marks on a green. With the knife, gently lifting up the edge of the outermost hexagon-shaped plug. Some additional leveling and rolling is needed to finish the seamless repair. The hex plugger can also be used to expand flower beds, as shown in this video.